Hello, welcome to the People course as part of the Empower Workshop series. I'm Julie Zeruba Fountain, and I'm so glad you are here. I'm a lifelong learner, and I'm delighted to spend some time with you to go over the people section of the workshop. I'll be sharing theories, principles, and practices with you. My request is that you engage with the material and complete the action items related to this material. Please take the time to explore, experience, and embody this work. There is nothing more rewarding than to learn and take action and to transform yourself. I wish for you a wonderful journey, and I'm glad you're here. So let's get into action learning. The quote on the screen represents one of the core tasks of our time: to learn about each other and form an open heart and to begin to see what's hidden. Then we will have a greater capacity to love and to treat each other with dignity. A people without the knowledge of their past, history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots. Now we are going to take a minute to build connection. Connecting to your heart through breathing is a way to center yourself and is a grounding tool. The pathway to becoming more self aware and present is by using these grounding exercises to self regulate. It's a way of calming your stress response and improving your overall health. It's a way to shift from your thinking mind to centering in your heart. So I invite you to arrive in this moment, to settle into your seat and find your breath. Just become aware of your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Do this a couple more times. Breathe in and breathe out. And think about why you came here today. Think about why you showed up. What are you hoping to take away from this lesson? And what are you hoping to do after this lesson? Take one more breath in and breathe out. Use this breathing tool anytime that you want to reconnect and ground yourself throughout this course or throughout your day. Now that we've settled in, I want to provide a little introduction into the context of this workshop within Empower Possible. Empower Possible, we envision a world of transformed individuals, organizations, and communities where everyone has access to well-being and the opportunity to thrive. You're going to be experiencing the People workshop right now today and a series of videos related to people within this workshop. This is a part of a larger course called Empower. And with Empower, we work through the 3 empowerments. And those empowerments are the self, social, and systems. Now, our goal through this course of People and the larger Empower workshop is to engage your true self. Each of these courses within the Empower workshop is going to go through ways that you can use whatever that topic is. Today's topic is people, way you can engage yourself in that topic. Then we'll look at the empowerment 2, which is catalyze your social network. So how does this topic of people help you catalyze your social network? And then we'll work into the 3rd empowerment, which is activating your living systems. We'll be discussing more about that in the upcoming videos. And this lays a foundation of unique ways to engage yourself, social, and systems into incorporating a positive change into your life and possibly the lives of those around you. In the next video, we'll go over the specific action learning outcomes related to the People course. So stay tuned.